What's good, YouTube? What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Crypto Chat here. Thank you guys for tuning into another video, and we're just gonna do a little market update, a little recap today, what I see, what's going on. So let's start off always with the market cap of all of cryptocurrency. We're about $163.6 billion dollars. So as you can see here, a nice, fell down from our high, and we hit the low of 134. I thought we were going to hit 120. I think if we did hit 120, it would have been really, really bad, real panicky. Could have got a lot worse, but it didn't. And now we're just steadily climbing back up. We've been steadily climbing back up all day yesterday, and now today. So we kind of had a little dip here and coming back up again. So if we don't break some of these highs right here, you could see another dip this weekend, and that's very possible. That's in fact what I'm possibly expecting. I kind of see that being a possibility. You see the 24-hour volume is $5.8 billion. Nice and healthy volume there. A lot of trading going on the last couple days. And then we got our Bitcoin dominance at 46, so it came down a little bit from the weekend crash / Neo fiasco. So Bitcoin staying strong at $4,624. Ethereum bounced back. I mean, again, like I said, like back when Ethereum was under $300, you should buy some Ethereum because it's going to just bounce back as soon as Bitcoin does. And that's exactly what happened. And I think it actually went way higher than that. If we take a look here, let's go to our Ethereum chat. Ethereum chat. The 7-day. So, we did come down all the way down to here, but we went up a little bit higher, about 330. I think I saw in one it was 340, 350 on certain exchanges. So that's nice. We got Bitcoin Cash. That Bitcoin Cash is looking very strong, very strong. A lot of, whether you stand on the Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash side, it really doesn't matter. They're both here to stay. And they both are, this one's very strong. The charts are very strong in Bitcoin Cash. Ripple holding its own, 22 cents still. Go Ripple. I'm still a long-term Ripple holder. Litecoin coming back. I think it hit a low of about 64, almost $80 now. And I'd suggest Litecoin as another great long-term investment, like I've already said multiple times. NEM fallen just a little bit, but it's still pretty strong. Pretty strong. We got Dash still killing it. Dash staying in that $300 range. Trying to get back up to that upper $300 range. We also got IOTA. Man, IOTA's not doing so hot. But just when it bottoms out, it's a great buying opportunity. Monero coming back up from its kind of fall. Ethereum Classic, rebounded quite nicely from its $15. It's at $18 now. Again, it's still possibly a good time to buy Ethereum Classic. I think it'll possibly fall just a little bit more. Neo is the big story, though. Look at that, 38% up for Neo. So remember the video I made, buy that Neo. You saw that low dip, and it's shooting back up like a motherfucker. And now it might come back down again, but some crazy volume on Neo and crazy trading on Neo. And Omise Go, just another great long-term hold. I just love this. It's a good coin, okay? It's a good coin. And Lisk looking very strong right now. Lisk looking very strong. Hopefully the rebranding is around the corner and that you're going to see it blow up. Quantum as well. I think it'd be a possible good time for Quantum buying because Quantum likes to hang around the $15 range. And it's now at $13. So just keep an eye on that. And 8 share just shot the hell up, 120%. It was about $9, and now it's just booming. Stratus, Stratus is just has not done anything, and it's just fallen in places in the top 20 for the last several months. Stratus has not done a thing. I've been holding on to my Stratus because I know the minute I sell my Stratus, some crap is going to happen. It's going to go whoosh. So that's why I'm still holding my Stratus, because it's just, same thing with Steam. I've been holding Steam forever. I've been holding Steam for so long. And it hasn't done much. But I know the minute I sell, some bullshit's going to happen, and I'm just going to be like, why? Why'd you do that, crypto? So we got Waves as well. Well, first of all, Zcash is looking all right, holding its own, good for mining. Waves, I think it might drop a little under 5 again. Anything under 5 is a good buy for Waves, in my personal opinion. Like I said, Steam's not doing much. BitShares had a run up yesterday, but it's kind of coming back down a little bit. Bytecoin, and Golem's at the 42 cents, you guys. Golem had a nice 20-30% run up yesterday, coming back a little down now because it was a little fast. But hey, Golem's looking really nice, and I really like Golem. So shout out to Golem. And Komodo's another cool. Komodo Dragon's another really cool one right now. Komodo having an update in 2 days from now, I believe. So just hold on to your Komodo, guys. I mean, I wouldn't buy it right now. Maybe let it dip a little bit, or you could buy right now because if you just let's take a look at Komodo a little more in depth right here. Just look at this. Look at this. I mean, look at this right here. This is what we're talking about. So let's go to the 7-day chart. You know, so it was down here, $1, then it boom, up to 2, and then it kind of corrected back down. Then it went back up again, and then we had our little weekend crash over here, and it kind of stayed stable, fell a little down, but now it's going back up. And, you know, it just looks like a stair-step evolution. So Komodo keep on going. I'm just going to hold my Komodo till this event comes out and then maybe sell it after. Or who knows, just let it ride. We'll see. EOS is doing still poopy. Still poopy. It might be a good time to buy an EOS if you really love EOS. Same thing with 10X. Kind of fell, but it's looking nice right now for a buying opportunity. Unless it can go down a little bit more. But again, it's all contingent on Bitcoin and what Bitcoin does and what the whole cryptocurrency market does. And I expect to see another weekend dip because we haven't fully really recovered or blown past or had enough time to really blow past, you know, the old highs and whatnot. So just keep an eye out on that. And ARK is still strong as crazy. This is such a strong chart as well. MaidSafe coin almost back up to that 70 cents, which is incredible. Metal. What I said is Metal was a good long-term investment, and it was hanging around $9. It's up to $12, almost $13. Maybe even buy some Metal right now. This thing is due for a breakout. Factom as well, another one of my long-term holds, along with Basic Attention Token. Iconomi looks like, let's look at that Iconomi chart just from this picture right here. Iconomi looks pretty dang interesting. Let's take a look at that 7-day chart. So yeah, look at that. It fell down. And it's kind of set a little new high, and it's having some consolidation. So look for an Iconomi breakout coming up on the horizon. Sia coin, let's look at the Sia coin chart. I haven't looked at the Sia coin chart forever, but I just know it's poopy. Look at that, such a steep drop off right there. Look at that. And you can see where it picked up is where it drops off. So just a little, as you guys know, what goes up must come down, and it usually goes back down to that last level of support. But I imagine there's a lot of SIA bag holders because a lot of people probably bought in this area right here and did not sell, or bought even up here and did not sell. So probably a lot of SIA bag holders. But let's just take a look at the 7-day, and it came down with the crash, and now, you know, not looking too strong, not looking too weak. We'll see what happens. PivX is at $4, you guys. Congratulations to all your PivX holders. I bought PivX back when it was under $1, and I sold it around the $2-something mark, because I was just sick and tired of PivX not doing anything, and I put all that money into NEO. I'm glad I did, but at the same time, I wish I held my PivX right now because it's doing excellent. Dogecoin is just chilling, man. And look at that chart also for Dogecoin. You can see there might be a possible move up or move down. Veritasium still at $100. Decred still at $30. Byteball, I would just stay away from Byteball. I mean, it could break out one day, but it's just, look at that chart. It's just a total downhill trend. Really ever since the height back in the Julys and the Mays, but just such a steep drop, and then another steep drop, and I expected to hit up again, and then it's going to drop more, you guys. Maybe all the way down to about 249. That might be the last level of support, and if it breaks that, then it's gone. NCAP really fell. It hit up like $3, $4 the other day. Really has fallen from that. DigiDAO still at $90. I don't think I've ever seen this coin at either $89 or $90. It's always at those levels. Bitcoin Dark had its run up. You don't want to get on that. Syscoin had a huge run up yesterday, but kind of too fast, correcting itself. And that's really all the coins I really want to talk about. Civic, I'm watching Civic still, 43 cents. It looks like the chart's looking kind of promising. Arter's coming back up, actually. Hey, Arter's at 13 cents for the longest time. It's now at 15. That's nice. And District OX is, or Zerx looks like it's coming back as well. And Binance Coin really shot up because Binance Coin was a Chinese exchange coin, really fell under $1, and now it's back up to a promising level. So that's nice. Status as well. Came back from the dead a little bit. Now it's going to die a little bit more, I think. Verge is a huge story, man. Oh, my God. Verge. What a great coin, you guys. What a great coin. Technically 1 cent. It's 0.07 cents, but with rounding, that's 1 cent. A lot of stuff in the work for Verge. Verge is coming out with a lot of stuff. So hold on to that Verge. Hold on to that NAV coin. Look at that. Ubix finally kind of making little moves here. It's staying up high. And again, this makes me think that the market might come down a little bit. And Moneta, the ICO, is finally out of ICO mode, and it's on the market, so that's pretty awesome. Also, No Limit Coin and LC2. A lot of people have been telling me to check that out, and I'm going to have to check it out due to that. And let's see. ADX had a real big run up yesterday, 2 days ago, rather. District OX. Looking like due for a breakout possibly. A lot of these coins are really consolidating right now, so it's very interesting to see. And Rise down to 35 cents. But that's really all I want to talk about, you guys. Those are the coins. Bittrex, look at these tokens just going. So on Bittrex today, Whitecoin, Neo, and Trig are the big winners. How high will they go? I don't know. We will see, you guys. We shall see. And Omni, 66 volume, up 23%. So check it out. And Humanique. Oh, look at that. Humanique. Humanique is going up nicely. I like that. I like that. But that's really all I got to talk about. I just want to make a quick market update. I haven't made a video for a couple days. I'll try to get some new content up. I'll see you guys in the next video. And I'm out. Peace.